Okay, this is a how-to video on how to do an initial test to see if an alternator is working. This is for Rob. I'm going to show you this here, just a cheapo electrical a meter here. This is bought for like 10 bucks. What you want to do is you want to turn it to 12 volt DC. See DC there, 12 volt. We're going to run a 12 volt battery. This is with the engine off. And so we'll hook up positive to positive, negative to negative. We're going to take a reading. This is reading at 11.77. This is with the engine off. This will tell us that there's a draw in the battery. It's supposed to take 12 volts, but with the engine off and the headlights on, it's 11.77. Now I'm going to go start the vehicle. And you'll see this jump up and continue to raise. 13.82 will ultimately say 14 point something. It's above 12 volts, and that is important because that means it's charging the battery. This is how you can do an initial test to see. So let me go over the math on this. 12 volt battery needs to be charged with more than 12 volts, so 13 point something or 14 point something volts is almost at 14. It means my alternator is doing its job, it is charging the battery. If the engine is running and this says 12 volts or less, you have an alternator problem. Now this is just your initial test. You can see we're already up into the 14s here. It's the initial test, but this will tell you initially that the alternator is charging. If it says 15 volts, you are overcharging and you can boil the battery. That is still a bad alternator. So good alternator is something around 14, 14 and a half. Bad alternator is anything below 12 or above 14 and a half. About 15 is the problem. That's how you do it. Just positive on positive, negative on negative, have a read.